everybody, welcome back to H2O Assassin. I'm so sick, but I get this mail at my PO box office, which is at my local, usually people send me stuff. This is my friend Akif, which is a Singaporean too. He trolled me so much that he sent me this booster box, and I thought, whoa, inside got 36 sealed booster packs. Then suddenly I open, it's just this. Okay, so inside we got a wallet, which is for my birthday, which is 28th January today, this year. And we got 2 sealed booster pack, which is Furious Fist and Plasma Freeze. And the last one, it is this minifigure, which is very, very, very awesome. It's a Pokemon, maybe it's a Pokemon. I don't know. Yeah, it's a Pokemon. Yeah, it's a Pokemon. Yeah, he sent us this booster box, which is ultimate cool. He almost thrilled me. Three fish balls. Come on. Oh, holy crap! We got this coin, which is very, very cool and so dashed up. Okay, whatever. In this video, I'm just going to show you that this coin, and I'm going to review this, but this thing. He never even gripped the price off. And the next video, I'm going to open this cool booster box with something just fell down. LOL, lol. Now, man, since that is an interruption in my video, so don't be scared. It's just a jump scare. It's just I planned for that video. Okay, whatever. We're gonna open this now. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, so we open that. Ooh, this is a pretty nice figure there. I like this figure. I like it so much. Okay, seriously, this is $3. He buy this. There's a hole inside. It's a pretty cool figure. Nice paint job and everything. Okay, see what else is in the box. Okay, there's a pretty much Japanese writing there. I don't know what they write. It's a Pokemon guy. If my friend Adam knows who's this Pokemon, tell me at school sneakily. Okay, then I will make a video of this. Thanks for watching. As always, thank you for watching. Boop.